Want to take your Instagram game to the next level by sharing quick, engaging content that disappears after 24 hours? Let's jump right into how to add stories to your Instagram profile. First, open your Instagram app. You'll see a plus icon, usually located at the top right-hand corner of your screen, or on the left-hand side where your profile picture is. Tap on that plus icon. A menu will pop up. Select the story option. This will open your camera, ready to capture your fleeting moments. Now you're in the Instagram story camera. You can take a photo or video directly, or you can upload something from your camera roll by swiping up on the screen. Feel free to experiment with different filters, effects, and stickers to make your story visually appealing. To add text, tap the icon and type your message. You can change the font, color, and size to suit your style. To add stickers, tap the sticker icon, which is usually a square with a smiley face. Here you'll find everything from location tags to polls that can make your stories more engaging. Once you're happy with your creation, tap the share button next to your story at the bottom left corner of the screen. To keep your stories around for longer than 24 hours, consider adding them to your highlights. These are displayed on your profile and allow new visitors to see the best of your content. Experiment with different types of stories to see what resonates with your audience. And don't forget to use relevant hashtags to increase your visibility. Hashtag Instagram Stories, hashtag content creation.